Nice going for it. Okay. Yep, perfect demo. Thank you. So I'm going to do the waterfall treats. The treats are only going to come down to her when she's sitting. But I'm going to, after each treat, very quickly get the next one. So I have my hand with all the treats up here, so I can very quickly grab the next one. And then I can lower it slowly. But I'm not reaching into my treat pouch to refill. And so the rhythm of one treat after the other is helping her regulate her arousal. Good girl. And just to demonstrate, if I go in here and get this, you can see she's a little more like, ooh, let me jump for it if I'm like moving my hands around a lot. So that's why it's really helpful to have the treats up here, and then one at a time, but no pauses in between. Just getting that rhythm. This is the waterfall. Well done.